magnitude of 8.8, which is the largest in Japan, and recording an intensity of 7.
And you can see that the K has been and the
coastal areas of Miyako City and Iwate, but minutes later, it struck. As of 7 p.m., the full extent of the damage is still not known.
This is Hachinohe City at 4:30 p.m. and we can observe the tsunami hitting the port.
As of 7 p.m., the overall picture of damage is yet to be found dead, and there are many missing. And in Ofunato City, 5 were found dead, and in Rikuzen Takada City, 2 were found dead. And in Kuji City, a man who was on a car was washed away by tsunami and died. And apart from the 12 confirmed dead, police say that there are many dead in tsunami in Yamadama town, and a lot of injured people are now being brought to hospitals in Miyagi Prefecture due to the tsunami.